Pro-China po ba ako, Kapitan?
No, sir.
Salamat po sa inyong sagot. Kailangan po nating magkaisa. Ayusin po natin ang problema. Hindi sa patutsadahan. May makikinabang dito politically. Yung nangangahas na akala mo hindi pwedeng gawin ng China yan. We are for the fishermen of this country. Akala mo napakagagaling. Hindi naman nila alam kung paano nila gagawin. Pupunta ka doon sa Baho de Masinloc para makipagbarilan ka sa China? Ganun ba yun? Itong napakadaling intindihin, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ayaw intindihin nung lahat ng may concern dito. Lalong-lalo na po kayo. Dapat nalaman nating lahat ito. It is the responsibility of Commodore Tariela to explain this to our people. Sa ganito pong initiative, Kapitan, ako po ba'y pro-China, Kapitan? Pro-China po ba ako, Kapitan?
No, sir.
Salamat po sa inyong sagot.
Believe that na kailangan talaga ng masusing pag-aaral at mag-ingat rin sa ating sinasabi. Well, I don't want to be perceived as being pro-China. Ako po ay gusto ko lang maging realistic. If we think that the U.S. will defend the Philippines in case, we might be up for a big surprise because I doubt it if the U.S. will come to the defense of the Philippines. I love our country and I don't want us to be, I don't want to see this country go down the wrong path. And I want us to tread carefully. Dahil we have to choose the fights that we want to go into. We cannot be remiss in our duty. If we want to protect the Philippines, then let's protect it. Kanina nabanggit ng ating kasamahan Congressman Nabante that China should respect us. But respect is not asked, it is earned. And I think we will earn it if we show that we deserve that respect from these other countries.